Peace out, homie.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Last week I decided to follow my best friend Ayushi's routine and decided to live life as her for 24 hours, and here is how it went.
So I've decided like आज रात से लेके कल रात तक I'll be following her routine. So अभी like 11:30 11ish का कोई ऐसे कुछ specific नहीं है. It's like 10:30 to 12 is editing / talking to us, like talking to our friends and chilling, basic chilling basically. So I will do what I do usually, which is I need to tidy up my room a little bit. I'll do that quickly, and from 12 to 2 it is watch a movie. So we decided to watch the movies that we would personally choose, like watch the show or movie that we are watching or we would choose to watch. So she gave me two options of watching the movies. First is Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, second is Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. I can watch either of those two. I'm thinking Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, but I also want to watch Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. So I don't know. And she sleeps by 2:15, which is cool because Hum Aapke Hain Kaun is like a 3-hour movie जिसमें से end का जो part होता है like that I usually end up not watching because I don't want to cry. So maybe I'll just watch Hum Aapke Hain Kaun because it's been a long while since I've watched that. Yeah, so I need to change and just like make my bed, and then I'll watch something and I'll keep you guys updated as to what was the thing that I ended up watching. Yeah, so see you. So as you can see, I have changed. I'm in my comfortable clothes, took out my lens and everything. Bed सब बन गया है, so I'll just switch off the light and I decided I'll watch हम आपके हैं कौन rather than जाने तू या जाने ना, because हम आपके हैं कौन is like much like more fun and जाने तू या जाने ना is more romantic and I'm just not in the mood for romance right now. Good morning guys, please excuse how I look, but अब सुबह सुबह कोई मतलब ऐसे ही दिखते हैं लोग. अभी बज रहे हैं 9:50. I have been in bed and up for around 20 minutes I guess, because I have strict instructions to not get out of bed till 10 a.m. because yeah, so I'm still in bed but I'm up and I thought I'll just shoot the fact that I'm up. Yeah, I woke up once like around 7:30 because I had to pee, and then उसके बाद भी like around 8:30 अपने आप थोड़ा थोड़ा नींद खुल जा रहा था मेरा, but because I'm used to waking up उस टाइम के आसपास, but cool, I slept through it. But then like after 9:30 it was just like I can't sleep anymore, हो ही नहीं रहा था, so I just stayed in bed. Ayushi said that she drinks around 750 ml पानी. This was 8 लीटर का बॉटल पूरा भरा हुआ था, मतलब इतना तक. तो I will drink बचा हुआ जितना था. So I guess that will be 750 ml के आसपास. So it's 11ish. अभी कितना, अभी 11 के आसपास बज रहा है and I'm making coffee. Ayushi said कि कॉफ़ी बनाना है. I'll have breakfast after that. And breakfast में वो रात को मेरे को बताई that she wants like she on Tuesdays they have South Indian for breakfast, तो breakfast करना है. I didn't really have chutney available, तो चटनी बाहर से मंगा रही हूँ, so इसीलिए I'm waiting a little कि आ जाए उसके बाद I'll eat. But तब तक I'll just make coffee because I feel tired even though I've not done anything. So I'm just gonna make coffee and catch you when I have my breakfast. ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ हियर, इट्स रेडी. एंड मैं जब तक कॉफ़ी पीना स्टार्ट कर रही थी तब तक मैं ही आ गया था, तो यू नो आई हैवंट इवन ड्रैंक माई कॉफ़ी. आई थिंक फ्रॉम 12:15 आई हैव टू लिसन टू भजन, सो ठीक है वो करेंगे, बट उसके पहले वाइल आई एम ईटिंग फॉर वाइल फॉर 15 मिनट्स. अभी 12 बज चुके हैं. सो शी टोल्ड मी दैट आई कैन वॉच ईदर ब्रुकलिन 99 और सम यूट्यूब वीडियोज़. सो आई थिंक आई वॉच ब्रुकलिन 99 बिकॉज आई एम इन द मूड फॉर समथिंग फन एंड लाइट. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो ahead and do that. So Ayushi has this Aarti / Bhajan playlist that she listens to. So I'm gonna do that as well right now. It's 12:20, so ठीक है. I am done with my breakfast. So I'm just gonna
get some ghar ka kaam done while listening to all this, and yeah.
So it's lunchtime. I don't know why I'm feeling so like, well, sorry. I'm feeling so tired and lazy. I think it's because I haven't taken a shower yet. It's like usually the days when I don't, which is very rare, but the days when I don't take a bath are the days when I have planned that I don't want to do anything in life. I just want to sleep and be very lazy. Those are the days when I skip taking a bath. And आज skip भी नहीं करना है, I have to take it a little later. Ayushi did give me the option that if I want to, I can take a bath like around 12:15 to 1:30 वाला time slot में, but I was so full from the breakfast and I was feeling so lazy. I was like, nah. Even that is why this also, like, the lunch time also got a little late. So right now it's around 2:15 and I'm having lunch. Abhi uska time slot is from 1:30 to 2:30, where she watches YouTube also. So that was the time slot, but I was full, so I was like, you know what, I'll have it at 2:15. Yeah. So she has rice, sabzi, dal. So I have all that, and with that she has a glass full of chas. So I want a little more salt in this, but it's nice. I like chas. Like गर्मी का time पे even we have chas almost daily, but अभी ठंड में भी वो not. But ठीक, I don't mind it. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat and probably watch something on YouTube, and then I have to get ready to shoot. And I have to shoot. I have to shoot because I actually have to upload today also. But I don't know. I'm already so lazy. So I am all ready now, and I really hope I get this done pretty quickly because wow, bahar shore bhi ho raha hai. Okay, but I hope I get this done as quickly as possible because I also want to take a shower as soon as possible, especially ekdam shaam hone ke pehle. I want to. Also, Ayushi usually after doing her makeup and all after shooting, she usually does like a face mask. So I was thinking I'll do that. I haven't done a face mask in such a long time, but I don't know. It all depends on the timing. So I'm just gonna go and shoot ASAP. अभी बज रहे हैं 4:35 and I just got done with filming. I have shot the entire video. I'm gonna go wash my face, put on a face mask, clear up a little mess और एक दो काम है घर का जो मेरे को करना है. I will do that and then I'm gonna hop in the shower. Side note, I really like my makeup today. I think I look pretty cute. Finally I got to take a shower. I thought I'll take like a very quick shower, but I actually had a nice hot shower. तो इसके बाद आयुषी drinks coffee, तो वो मैं पीऊँगी but थोड़ी देर में. उसके पहले let me do my skin care and let me talk to you guys. I feel the routine is not hard or anything as such, but I don't know why, but I felt very like lethargic and lazy all throughout the day. Like I just felt like I didn't have energy, and for some reason I feel like very full. Even though like breakfast also I didn't eat too much, and lunch also I didn't eat too much. But I feel because I'm used to having just one meal in the morning, like just lunch nowadays, so I feel maybe because my body is not used to it anymore, शायद इसलिए. I don't know. I do feel quite full.
I will do like I think 5:15 तक I'll do some like I'll do bunch of household chores जो मेरे को करना है और जिसमें थोड़ा चलना फिरना होता है, इन्वॉल्व होता है, जिसमें थोड़ा मेहनत इन्वॉल्व होता है. I will do those things first and then I guess I'm gonna go in with then I'm gonna have my coffee around 5:15 and then coffee हो जाएगी तो उसके बाद वापस I'll resume my घर का जो काम बचा रहेगा because I'm already like feeling full. तो मतलब कॉफ़ी उसके ऊपर पीने का मेरे को पॉइंट नहीं समझ आ रहा. But I guess coffee will give me energy. I'll have with a little less sugar this time maybe. I have because I don't drink coffee very regularly, and when I do, I 90% times opt for black coffee with sugar. So I feel I'm not used to even having normal coffee anymore. वो भी इतना like a mug sort of thing.
I have some cookies. I have some coffee in my friend's mug. Could I be any more cliched? I could, but yeah. बज रहे हैं 6:15. आई एम डन विथ जो भी घर का काम एंड ऑल था, सब हो गया है और कॉफ़ी भी मैं पी चुकी थी. अब इज़ यूट्यूब टाइम, सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई विल वॉच गोपाली का एक वीडियो.
हम एक और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग से चैलेंज के साथ आ गए हैं. मैंने ना पास्ट कुछ दिनों से बड़ी मेहनत कर रही थी कि मैं बाहर की
अभी बज रहे हैं 7:35 एंड दिस इज़ आयुषीज वर्कआउट टाइम. So I've already done the stretching. I asked her what she does, तो वो stretching करती है, basic stretching, and she YouTubes any one like targeted area of the body and उसका workout करती है. So I found this one thing for rounded shoulders and hunchback, which I have actually. So it's cool. It's like a 10-minute workout. So I'll do that. So instead of finishing at 7:45, I finished my working out at 8. But that's fine. I took a 15 minutes rest and इतना intense नहीं था, so I don't need उससे ज़्यादा rest. I'm just gonna go wash my face, comb my hair, wear a sweater, and then proceed to have dinner. हाँ, खाने में आयुषी has normal roti sabzi plus some छाछ, so I'm gonna have that. Dinner and all everything is done. अब बज रहे हैं 9 and अब का टाइम है for reading. So she has from 9 to 10:30 she has reading का time. I don't know if I'll read पूरा for that 1.5 hours. I might read from 9 to 10 and then maybe sit with my parents, or if my brother's call comes so I'll go and I'll talk. ऐसा कुछ पूरा I don't think 1.5 घंटा पड़ेगा, but if I do I can. And even I have been recently like 2021 का resolution types एक था that I need to get back to reading. I need to start reading more, and I have been trying to do that. So I am currently reading this book, The Amazing Results of Positive Thinking, and it's a very nice book. It's very I really like it. I am anyway a very positive thinker. Plus maybe still there are so many things, like there are so many times that I attract negativity or am like being negative even without realizing it. Like, so it's really great. It's very nice. It's very practical, you know. It's not some superficial stuff. It's very practical. So I really like it. तो अभी हम ये पढ़ेंगे. And she has given me a playlist that she plays. So it's mostly those lofi and flip songs. So that's cool. It's nice playlist. तो मैं वो चला लूँगी, करूँगी. But before that, I am really in the mood of listening to this song because कल movie में ये काटा हुआ था. So for some reason the Chocolate Lime Juice song is cut from हम आपके यहाँ कौन, from everywhere, you know. Like my DVDs had them, but जब भी TV पे आता है या Netflix पे है, it's पता नहीं क्यों काटा हुआ है. So I really like this song and I like the video as well. So I'm gonna listen to this song first and then I'm gonna listen to Ayushi's playlist and read. I have my scented candle ready. Also, I've been recently loving scented candles. So it's 11:30 right now. Kal at 11 I started this challenge, so it's been 24 hours. So I'm done living as my best friend. I am done living and following Ayushi's routine. It was like genuinely quite a lot of fun. There were some like ups and downs, I guess. Like, you know, I felt very full throughout the day and I felt very lazy in the starting, but the second half was pretty good for me. So that's fun. And that is it. I'm done with the challenge and now I'm gonna go back to do what I do.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know, have you ever done this? Have you ever thought of doing this? And whatever your thoughts were on this video, I would love to hear them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I will see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy, take care.